Children, in the last video you have seen that the scientists were trying to classify the elements on the basis of various factors like density, malleability, ductility, metallic and non-metallic characters. But the classification done according to these factors was not very satisfactory, and the scientists were in search of such a property of the elements which did not differ with the conditions. Then it was William Prout who discovered the property called atomic weights or atomic mass. With the discovery of this property, scientists started classifying the elements according to atomic weights, and first scientist to do so was Dobrynja. Dobrynja arranged the elements in increasing order of atomic weights in groups of three, which were known as triads. According to Dobrynja, elements can be arranged in groups of three called triads in such a way that atomic mass of the middle element is almost equal to the average of atomic mass of other two. Again, see, in a group of three elements, the atomic mass of middle element is almost equal to the average of atomic mass of other two elements. Dobrynja also said that the three elements in a triad will possess similar chemical properties also. So let us now see the various triads of Dobrynja which he gave. The first triad is the elements lithium, sodium and potassium. You can see that atomic mass of lithium is 7, sodium is 23 and potassium is 39. If we try to add the atomic masses of lithium and potassium, the elements on the either sides of sodium, we will see that the average of atomic mass of lithium and sodium, that is 7 plus 39 divided by 2, it is coming to be 23. That means sodium, which is the middle element, will have atomic mass which is the average of the rest of 2. This only was told by Dobrynja. One more triad we are going to see is the elements chlorine, bromine and iodine. Chlorine has atomic mass 35, bromine has atomic mass 80 and iodine has atomic mass 127. Now let's see and find out the average of chlorine and iodine. If we add the atomic masses of chlorine, that is 35.5 and iodine 127, and divide it by 2, it comes to be 81.25, which is approximately equal to the atomic mass of bromine, that is 80. So these were all the triads given by Dobrynja, but the system of classification given by Dobrynja was not accepted, and it was discarded because of few reasons. Now let us see those reasons because of which the Dobrynja's triads were discarded. So the reasons for discarding Dobrynja's triads are, you can say this method is actually not very systematic. It is a disordered collection of various elements put together as group of three. Now, all the known elements cannot be classified in the form of triads. Whatever the elements we know, all of them cannot be classified in the form of triads. This is also one of the drawback of the Dobrynja's triad. Next reason for which this law of triads was discarded is, in many of the cases, the elements of triad are not found to possess similar chemical properties. Means the elements were put together, three elements were put together in a triad, but sometimes those three elements were not showing similarity in their chemical properties. So because of these reasons, this law of triads was discarded.